Hi all, and today we are going to look at a trading robot I found on the MetaTrader marketplace called Precision Scalper, and so far I've been really impressed by what I've seen. We have also looked at a product from this author before called AutoCAD Ming Trader, and if you missed that video, a pop-up should appear about now. So there are both MT4 and MT5 versions of this trading robot, and here is the product description. The author could have provided a bit more information, but we can see that this trades the pound-dollar pair in a 15-minute time frame, and each trade has a 20 pip target and a 30 pip stop. Also, the author is saying that it is not using martingale grid or other dangerous trading techniques, and we'll have a look at that too. There's also a live signal, so let's have a look at that here. I can see this is trading at quite high risk. The signal is 4 weeks old and already it's at over 100% gain. But what I liked was the high frequency of winners to losers, currently a 75% win rate and strong performance. As usual, I run the scam test on the trading robots to look for any manipulation of the backtests, and these all look fine. If we see fundamental differences in the three charts, then something is going on, but as you can see, these all look fine. You can learn more about our scam tests and learn how to run them yourselves via the link on the top right. This will take you to a mini course on Udemy where you can learn how to run these tests for yourself. It's a small investment considering that trading robots cost hundreds of dollars. Okay, so running backtests from 2020 to March 2023. The fixed lot backtest takes a 1k count to 3.8k, and we have a decent looking linear backtest. The trading robot also allows you to trade a fixed percentage of your account, so I did this, and it took a 10k count at 5% risk to just under 100k, a tenfold increase. So I actually have been running this trading robot for a couple of days now and have been watching how this trading robot takes live trades. And I wanted to show you some of the trades that this trading robot takes, which I thought were quite precise. I guess that's why it's called Precision Scalper. So starting from the left of the chart, the first trade on the 18th of March, the one buy, you can see the entry is at the swing low and then it closes right at the high. Then the price starts to trend down and the second trade is opened as the market pulls back. It's one bar earlier than the peak and there's some chop before it closes for another win. Trade 3 is another buy after the price pushes up. Looks like a breakout trade and once again closes right at the top. Now we go back down again and we get the fourth trade, which is a short after a move down and a retrace. Trade 5 is similar, sell in the direction of the trend but on an impulse move up. And finally, the trade which I caught this morning, market pushes higher again and looks like another breakout trade, just like trade 3 and is another winner. There are 6 winning trades in a row without excessive stop versus take profit. I was really impressed with the entries and there must be a filter which allows it to trade in the direction of the trend as it seems to have got them spot on in the window that we're looking at here. Plugging the backtest into QUANTANALYZER for deep analysis, we can see that there is a fixed 20 pip target versus a 30 pip stop, with no trailing stop. In the backtest, we are seeing a 64% win ratio, but so far in live, we are seeing a 75% win rate. We can also see that it's not a night scalper. Trades are executed at all hours, and other interesting statistic is that it seems that all open trades less than 4 hours in the duration are profitable. I was thinking perhaps if you just close off any trades past 4 hours, then you may possibly limit the losses for even greater results. In summary, we are seeing great results with the trading robot in the live and also in the backtest. If using percentage risk allocation, we are seeing some big gains due to compounding. Usually you will see great looking backtest results if trading robots are using martingale grid, large stops versus small targets, but this trading robot is not utilizing any of these dangerous trading techniques, which is what, in my view, it makes it quite unique and above the rest. I also like the frequency of trades with this trading robot, and watching it trade with accurate entries has so far been rather impressive. So all in all, so far, very good results and worth taking a look at. And if you're interested in taking a look, here are the links to the product, both the MT4 and MT5 versions and a link to the live signal. I'll also drop these links into the video description box below. And that's it guys, thank you for watching as always, and if you got any value from this, please do support us by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Until next time, happy trading!